how to add image layout gadget on your blog or website on Blogger. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just follow with me until the end, please. First step, go to blogger.com. This is the dashboard page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is click on layout, and here on this page all what you have to do is just scroll down and click on add a gadget here or here on any place on your website. I'm gonna choose the sidebar bottom on my website, so click on add the gadget and then scroll down. Scroll down until you find this image option and then click on it, and you will be able to upload an image from here. You can add the link, and yeah, you can upload from computer from here and then click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later.